Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be appealing to the guy who just came home from college and is looking to make $15,000 this summer. This is going to be done by you starting your own business in the service industry. I'm going to be talking about exactly which service you should choose, exactly how you should market yourself, how you should take payment, and the exact equipment that you need for your service. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Isaac Bjork with To Be Green Consulting, where I've made it my mission to help guys starting out in the lawn care industry reach their financial dreams as soon as possible. I want you to hit the like button and comment what your first job was. Okay, let's get started. So, service. You just came home from college and you are going to be spending time at your parents' house. You're looking to make $15,000 this summer. The service that you choose is going to depend a little bit on where you live. For example, if you are in the suburbs, lawn care is going to be perfect for you. If you're in the city, maybe window cleaning is going to work for you. No matter the service you choose, in terms of equipment, you're going to, if you're on a super tight budget, you're going to want to choose something that your parents already own. For example, you live in the suburbs, likely chances are that your parents are going to at least own a push mower, perhaps a trimmer, and a broom that you can use. So in that case, you're going to start lawn care and yard cleanup. You are going to practice by doing your parents' lawn a couple times, and you are going to learn the skills that way. Okay, that's as far as you have to go with service. It's basically what is needed in your community and what you have the skills to deliver on. So the equipment that you need, this is going to be a summer gig, so don't go out spending thousands of dollars on the most professional equipment. If the best case scenario, you could either, if it's just a push mower, you could perhaps push it by hand, or have a little wagon. If it's a riding mower, you could have the rest of the equipment. And I mentioned a broom because let's say you don't have a professional blower and you just need to clean off some sidewalks. Then you can just use a broom. So you just have to make do with what your parents have. In terms of marketing, you don't want to go out and people will present like Facebook ads, different Google advertisements, YouTube advertisements. You don't want to go out and do that because there's no reason, you're just starting out. So what I recommend is doing a 3-part marketing setup. First is to go door to door. Second is to post in local Facebook groups. So oftentimes they're called like let's say your county community page or your county uncensored, so on. And then this is where, under this community, there's a final part where you DM multiple members. You ask them up front, hey, my name is John. I just came home from college and I'm looking for some summer work. I can offer you lawn care for the summer, and to show you that I am reliable, consistent, and can do a great job, I'm going to offer the first cut free. That's a very desirable offer for many people, and that is going to get you a lot of leads. Let's say they say no. In that case, just say okay, and you ask them, hey, do you have anybody else in the area that you know perhaps could benefit from this offer? This is the same tactic that you use for going door to door, just you do very simply. You build a little rapport with them, and then you explain. You go straight to the service. In terms of a community Facebook post page, that's just a general advertisement, and you can make it very similar to your direct message script. So now you have landed a few jobs, even though they're going to be free. That is going to get your name out there. You're going to start mowing lawns. You're going to learn more and more every time you do the work, and a lot of these that are free, they're going to lead to long-term clients. So in terms of payment, what you want to shoot for is, after mowing a few lawns, you're going to know generally how long it's going to take. So you want to shoot for $1 per minute. Some of you guys are going to say, wait, Isaac, that's way too much. Truth is, by the time, that does not factor in travel costs, travel time, and so forth. And you can cut a little bit off, but this is a good rule to go by when you're starting out. It's very simple, and you just give estimates on how long it's going to take. Furthermore, you want to take payments with either cash, check. If customers do not have that, you could do either PayPal or Venmo. Make it very simple and just have them pay you personally. This is the easiest path that you can take to starting a business in high school. Realize, first week when you do this, you should be able to make this post, DM maybe 100 people in a day, and perhaps do a couple door-to-doors in your nearest area. Within your first week, you should have 15 to 20 people who are mowing the first free job. That should then lead to your long-term clients for the summer. And then you start implementing what's called upsells. You look at what else what the property needs. You look, perhaps they need their hedges trimmed. Perhaps they need trash taken to the dump. Perhaps they need sticks picked up. Maybe an old tree needs to be trimmed. Small things, of course, you don't want to go beyond your skill level. But you see, this industry, the lawn industry, is perfect for guys looking for a short-term job during the summer because there are so many other upsells that you can take and benefit off of. Not only benefit financially, but you can also help your clients more, which is the road you're going to take to making the $15,000 this summer. This video has helped you. I want to let you know that I just opened up a free program, my Lawn Care Business Mastery Program. The reason why I'm offering that and that this video is not enough is because you still need business strategy. Like, for example, when is the right time to mow? How do I mow? What height do I mow at? How do I conduct myself in front of my clients? What if I break a window of my clients? All these different questions and the strategy that you need to take your business to the next level, even if it's just for the summer. This is a free program because I'm looking for guys starting out and that I can get my name out. This has been Isaac Bjork with 2B Green Consulting. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.